everybody, welcome back to Chloe Craft. Today I'm going to show you a fireworks picture that we're going to do. The things that you'll need is glue, a black piece of paper or whatever colour piece of paper, I'm using black today, some salt and some water paints. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get our glue, and what you do is you do a little I'll show you. This glue is a bit hard to push out, so that's why I'm going a couple times. It's a bit hard. So you're gonna keep doing some more fireworks on your page. I'm just finished off my last one. Just get it. It's okay. And then what you do is you're gonna get your salt and you're gonna sprinkle it all over the page. Oh. That sounds like fireworks. So, and then what I'm going to do, since I didn't really get it on the firework, I'm going to just shake it a little bit so we get all my fireworks. Okay, now I got this bowl, or potato or whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to fold it and put right on the other bit of salt in there.
And sprinkle it back on, yeah.
I might use a bit more here, and a bit more here, and a bit more here, and a bit more there. That one was perfect. And then I'm going to pour the excess. Okay, now what you're going to do when you have all your stuff ready, you're going to get a paintbrush, get it all wet, and what you're going to start doing is you're going to get your water paint, or whatever water paint you have, and you're going to just start getting your paintbrush wet and colourful, and then dragging it on. So it's a good tip that you make sure your paint is very wet. You need to make sure they're very wet. And the next good tip is that you almost have 5 colours. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to get my blue and put it there and there. And then it looks like I can only do a purple on this one. So that's what my first one looks like. You can use different colours or one of those squeezy things, but I'm going to use paintbrush for this one, and I'm going to just get a bit more purple there. Make sure if you want it to be very colourful, if you want it to be colourful, you see how there's only a bit of white on it? Well, I just wanted to cover all of it, so I did that. And then you can do all sorts of patterns and all sorts of different colours or whatever you like to do. most of these now. I'm just giving it a finishing touch to make sure all of that bits is done. Here's what it looks like. You can use all sorts of different colours. I just wanted to use red, green, orange, purple and blue today. You can do more if you have a bigger sheet. Comment below to see, tell me what other art activity we can do, and also give this video a like, subscribe, and so you always know when I upload new videos. Bye guys!